I'm Gage from Mann Lake. Today we're going to do a little honey extracting. We've already removed our supers from our hives. Now I will break off these springs from the inside, remove some of these excess bees, and then I'm gonna take my already preheated uncapping knife here, filter in my 5-gallon bucket here. The knife takes about 15 to 20 seconds to heat up, and then I said it was up ready. Be careful, it will burn you. And we'll get to my other side here. Use a heating knife. There's uncapping punches, there's scrapers that all work the same. There's a lot of, it's a very heavy frame. There's a lot of caps, honey on here. It's from the super. There's not, we had our excluder on. There's not brood in here. There's just pure honey. And yeah, these wax cappings will carry some of that honey as well. So that's why I'm filtering it out here. But they'll also have wax left over for whatever we may want to make chapsticks, candles. What we're dunking these frames into is a 3-frame extractor, motorized extractor. This is used instead of having your frames just sit over a filter. This can spin the honey out quicker. It's also got a motor instead of a hand crank, which is the alternative to this as well. And we do have 3 different sizes of this motorized extractor. This is the smallest. There is a 6 frame, and then there is the 18 frame. Now that we've got 3 frames, not going. I'm going to slowly build that speed up as to not throw the balance off. It is always probably recommended to have a full extractor, because if you have a couple frames off, it could throw the balance off. Otherwise, you could pull down your extractor. There's holes in the legs to do so. How long you may have to do this may depend on how warm it is out, how flowing your honey is. It's a pretty warm day here now. We just pulled this off our hive, and it's flowing pretty good. After a couple minutes of spinning and it looks like we got most of the honey out, we're gonna flip it to the other side. And do that with all of our frames. Once we have a bunch of honey extracted, and there's a bunch of it sitting at the bottom of our extractor, I've got my 5-gallon pail with my honey gate set up with a filter. This is our stainless steel one. We do have other options. I'm gonna open this up and let it pour out. There will still be some cappings in there inevitably, but that's why we're filtering it out, and we'll just have all the good stuff out the bottom afterwards. And we can bottle it up using our honey gate. If you have any other questions, visit our website. Talk to Bella, the AI bot. She could help answer any questions you may have, or give us a ring. Any of our service reps would be thrilled to help you out. Otherwise, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.